This is a wee update and a wee reminder all you followers that tomorrow my live video at 3 o'clock. Get your questions and answers in for me tomorrow, by the way, and I'll be ready for you, by the way. So get some of your questions in, the now's the time to do it. And by the way, hello to Victoria Gregory down there in Howden Insurance down in Southampton, who was dealing with today to all my liability and my vehicle insurance is up to date. Folk don't realise what I've got today, by the way, and everything today. And also hello to anybody else out there. And by the way, the reason I'm here tonight is this: I've had reports coming into me that Albert the Gorilla bin stealer, is on the loose here. Now hopefully he's thereabouts. And I'm just watching out the new for him, because the reports I get is like my flight tip ones are always up to date, so they are. And let's hope. Now I'm just looking about the reports here. Now, you never know, but anyway, get your questions in for tomorrow, because the live videos seem to be working. They're doing the trick with the people, so they are. Really a lot of questions coming in, and you're trying to catch me. You will not catch me out, by the way. You will not catch me out, I repeat, you will not catch me out. And anyway, and here we're just approaching the roundabout, and I better kind of slow down, because this is where the reports were that he's supposedly seen. Oh, there he's there, look, there he's there. There he's there, look, he's there folks, that's him there, by the way. Albert the Gorilla, I'm telling you the new. Listen folks, I've got to get down here and round about here quick as I can to try and catch him. As you're well aware, they're my bins, I don't know how he's got them, the red bins. Anyway, I'll go there now folks, and I'll catch you all later. Too much to do, see you later.